This is the journey to one Africa.
As you know, this country is going through a number of challenges as we speak.
Yeah.
So do you have any message to fellow Ethiopians so that there will be more unity among the Ethiopians?
Yeah, absolutely. Brother, I just came from Rwanda right now. I was invited there by the government of Rwanda for Kwibuka 30. And it is basically the remembrance of what happened in Rwanda in 1994. Right now, it has been 30 years. You know, in 1994, within a range of just 1 month, more than 1 million people were killed. So it was this genocide against Tutsi that it was happening in the country. And just looking at the history, looking at the museum, learning about everything, it really opened my eyes to realize, to see where Rwanda it came from and where it is today. There's a very strategic reason and strategic things that they were done to make sure Rwanda it is where it is today. And 3 strategies that they did. The first thing they did, they said that, you know what, we must unite our people. We must come as one people. Let's not talk about tribes. Let's not talk about religion. We are going to recognize each other as Rwandese people, as one people. They did that. The second thing that they did is accountability. They said, okay, for anything that you do, you must be accountable. You must be responsible. And the third thing that they did, they say, you know what, we're going to think big. We're going to think beyond our tribes. We're going to think beyond our religion. We're going to think beyond anything else. We believe that Rwandese people can actually do better and achieve greater things in our countries. And because of that, regardless of all the challenges that Rwanda is facing today, but they were able to bring their people together and to stand strong until today. My message to Ethiopia and why I'm sharing this story. Ethiopia, this country I love. I've been there so many times. I've met people from different tribes. I went to different regions in Ethiopia. I met amazing and great people. They just recognized me as an African simply because I loved Ethiopia. They treated me with respect. They loved me. They cared for me. They gave everything to me. I did not pay a single money when I was in Ethiopia because Ethiopian people, they're just very hospitable towards me and towards my life and towards my mission in Ethiopia. I'm saying this because I want Ethiopian people, first and foremost, to understand who they are. As who they are as Ethiopian. They are Ethiopian. That is the very first identity as an Ethiopian. And there's even, you know, theories that this continent, before it was called Africa, it was called Ethiopia. So just thinking about who you are as an Ethiopian, that actually place all the regions, all the tribes, all people in one category that, you know what, we are Ethiopians. And we Ethiopians, we fight against Italians. We won the battle of Adwa. Today, Ethiopian, it is where it is. It was never colonized because Ethiopians came together, regardless of their differences, to fight for the independence of the country. And today, Ethiopia, it is where it is. First thing. Second thing, where Ethiopia is coming from. Where are we coming from? We had so many battles in the past. We fought against different countries. We fought different wars, and all of them we won. If we did then, we can do it today within the country. Because if there's any battles of today, it could be about tribalism, it could be about religionism, it could be about different things. But if we won, we've always been victorious. We can be victorious today. The third question, why are we here? So what happened for us, Ethiopia, to get where we are today? There's something, somewhere, something wrong happened. If we analyze this, then we realize that, okay, what is our purpose? Why are we here? Basically, we're talking about purpose, that our purpose, why are we here? What caused us to get where we are today, and how can we get out of this? The fourth question, what can we do? We as an Ethiopian, because we already understand that we're Ethiopian, what can we do today? We need to come together as one people. We need to declare Ethiopia, one Ethiopia, strong and prosperous Ethiopia for the sake of the next generation. Because what is happening today is not just affecting us, Ethiopian, it's going to affect the next generation. The children of Ethiopia, they will want to run away from the country to go to United States, to go to Canada. And what is country is going to left for? It's going to be left with nothing. And the last question, where are we going? Where as a country we want to be? Where as a people we want to be? If we answer these 5 questions, then we're going to realize that, man, we have a huge accountability to take for the sake of the next generation. Not necessarily for us, because we're kind of like too late, but the next generation. We want our kids to grow up in a country that is united, the country that our forefathers fought for so many years ago for us to be here where we are. They paid so much price. The forefathers we see in this t-shirt, they paid so much price for us to be where we are today. And it's our responsibility to do the same thing today, to see, to realize, and to actualize the vision that our forefathers dreamed for, to have a better future for Ethiopia and for our children.
I think it's a timely message, and it's a message worth, listening to and heeding. Thanks so much for that great idea, Mika.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.